welcome to my channel Way to Merchant Navy. Today's topic is going to be how to make payment from BHARATKOSH for your GMDSS GOC. Many of the people have doubt to how to make payment, and today I'll show you how to make payment. So let's jump to my laptop screen.
And this is the URL bharatkosh.gov.in. You can find this URL in my description below. Then please click on this register or login. So if you are a new user, go to this new user, click on the new user and type your mobile number, email ID and the security code or captcha over here and click on this send OTP. Then you will receive a OTP code on your mobile. Then you can proceed with your password and other details. So already I have my BHARATKOSH account. So this is my account. See, I'm in my account. First thing you have to make sure, go to my account, my profile, okay, and please select this ministry section to telecommunication, otherwise you will not get this option receipt for duty. If there is another options like I can tell you guys like this one or any other, so you will not get this option make receipt for DOT. So make sure that it always be in telecommunication. Then go to make payment, receipt, DOT, right? Depositor category, individual, purpose, you should click in this search icon and here you can write GMDSS and you have to select this GOC GMDSS and search. Click on the search button and you have to click on this GOC GMDSS payment type license renewal fee, okay, GOC. Now payment type license renewal fee, you have to select amount. No, this is not the amount, account office. So see, like West Bengal, this you have to select state wise, like if you are living in New Delhi or any means it depends that what depends on your provisional certificate, which controller communication issued your provisional certificate. As per that you need to select this. Then DDO, please select 201589 DDOCCA. Then amount. See, in this part I would like to tell that there is a two type of amount, 5,000 and 10,000. If you select 5,000, then your GOC validity will be for 20 years, and if you pay 10,000, then it will be lifetime. As per my suggestion, better to do 5,000 because in next 20 years we don't know if there will be in existence of GMDSS or not, if there will be implementation of new technology. So better pay 5,000. If you like to pay 10,000, that's up to you, but I will suggest you to pay 5,000. So like 5,000, okay, one time. And here you have to write something that I will tell you now. Just write this thing. GMDSS GOC license issue fees of your name you need to put over here, then your provisional number. This you need to put in your remarks. So this part you have to check a provisional and put, and this part put your name, then add. Okay, it has been already added. Then next, here you need to put your all the details, name, address. Please make sure all the details are correct because they will post your GOC in this address, so please put correctly. This red star marks are mandatory, you have to fill it up. Better fill all the details, like even Aadhaar card number, PAN card, everything you need to put. Then it's online payment. Okay, you can do SWIFT, NEFT, RTGS also, but better do online payment, net banking. That will be better for you guys. So this is the thing. Afterwards the same thing. See, there is a 4 tabs. Purpose already I've shown you. Depositor state details, that you have to fill it up. Then the same details will be shown to you, that for confirmation you have to confirm and pay. The payment is simple net banking payment, like you're paying for buying something from Flipkart or ordering some pizzas from Domino's. Same payment, not any different thing. So this is the way you can pay your fees for your GOC. And the thing is that if you apply today or tomorrow or any day, it depends your location. Like if you are in West Bengal only, you will get it within 2 to 3 days. If you are out of state, out of West Bengal, then it might take some time, but not more than a month. You will get your GOC in hand within 15 to 20 days if you are out of state. But if you are from West Bengal only, then it will take only 2 to 3 days, not more than that. And after payment you can log out. So this is the way that you can pay your account. Thank you.
So I have shown you how to make payment from BHARATKOSH. So before do your payment, do it very carefully. Don't do any mistake. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Signing off for the day.